This is a story of Mr. Siphuma Mpumudzeni, who is a former member of the South African National Defence Force, and now he is a lecturer at the University of Northwest. And I quote, "In 2018, I was nominated to attend a reconnaissance course in South African National Defence Force. I made a difficult but deliberate decision to decline the nomination, choosing instead to pursue my passion for education. I wanted to go to school. In fact, I wanted to go back to school while still working at the Sandf. In 2019, I registered for a Bachelor of Arts in Communication at the NWU Mafikeng campus. I was criticized heavily for choosing communication as a field of study. However, this never discouraged me. I had always dreamed of becoming a sports commentator on Pala Pala FM, NWU. Those who grew up with me in Hamukuya can attest to this, so I stayed focused on my vision. While studying in 2019, I performed exceptionally well academically and often assisted my classmates. During this time, I developed a deep love for lecturing and knowledge sharing. In 2020, Professor Damian Gasaid invited me to assist him with one of his modules. I was then appointed as a supplementary instructor in both 2020 and 2021. In 2022, I graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Communication, cum laude distinction, the only cum laude graduate in a class of over 140 students at the Mafikeng campus. The same year, while pursuing my honors degree, I was appointed as an academic peer mentor, a position ranked higher than SI. In 2023, I graduated with my honors degree in Communication, Journalism and Media Studies. During this period, I was appointed as a tutor, a higher academic rank than academic peer mentor. Safe to say, I was climbing up the academic ranks. In the same year, I was also awarded Best Researcher in the South African Army Research Writing Competition. Additionally, I registered for my Masters of Arts in Communication still in 2023. In early 2024, while still employed full-time by the SANDF and busy with the master studies, I was appointed as a part-time temporary lecturer at School of Communication, Mafikeng campus. Despite the demands, I successfully submitted my MA within the required time frame. In 2025, I was reappointed as a temporary lecturer and later graduated with my Master of Art in Communication, this time with 71%. In November 2025, I was appointed as a permanent lecturer in the School of Communication, Potchefstroom campus. In December 2025, I served my 1-month notice at the South African National Defence Force, officially marking the end of a chapter that had shaped me for over a decade. On 1 January 2026, I assumed my duties as a permanent lecturer. In the same year, I registered for my PhD in communication, with my proposal successfully assessed and accepted. From me to you, it is possible. Hard work pays off. Consistency matters. Purpose matters. And it is never too late to pursue and achieve your dreams. Close quote.